Hello, little learners. Welcome to Homeschool Channel. Learn with Omer. Let's learn and have fun.
I have a toy box. I have a toy box. I open my toy box. I take out a toy car. I take out a toy dot car. I push the car. I push the dot car. The car goes fast. The car goes fast. I stop the car. I stop the car. I have a teddy bear. I have a teddy bear. I feed my bear. I might feed. Might bear. I put my bear to sleep. I put my bear to sleep. I have building blocks. I have building blocks. I stack the blocks. I stack the blocks. I build a tower. I build a tower. My tower is tall. My tower is tall. The tower falls down. The tower falls down. I have a puzzle. I have a puzzle. I look at the pieces. I look at the pieces. I put the pieces together. I am proud of my puzzle. I have a toy train. I have a toy train. I put the train on the track. I put the train on the track.
Choo-choo goes the train. The airplane lands softly.
The airplane flies high. I put the airplane down. I put the airplane down. I have a stuffed rabbit. I have a stuffed rabbit.
The rabbit hops around.
I pet the rabbit's ears. I pet the rabbit's ears. The rabbit sits with the bear. I have many soft toys. I have many soft toys. I have a toy drum. I have a toy drum. I beat the drum. I beat the drum. I beat the drum. The drum makes a sound. The drum makes a sound. I stop playing the drum. I have crayons and paper. 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 I bounce the ball. I bounce that ball. I catch the ball. I catch the ball. I spell a word. I spell a word. I draw with a crayon. I draw with a crayon. I finish the puzzle. I am proud of my puzzle. I have a toy guitar. I sing a little song. I finish my song. I have letter blocks. I have letter dot blocks. I put letters together. I read the word. I read the word. I am happy I can read. I use many colors. I use man-white colors. The robot moves forward. I have many toys. I have man-white toys. I clean up my toys. I clean my toys. I close the toy box. I close the toy box. I put the toys away. I put the toys away. My room is clean. My room is clean. I say goodbye to my toys. I feel happy. I clean up my toys. I clean my toys. I close the toy box. I close the toy box. I am happy I can read.
Thanks for learning with Omer. Please like and subscribe. Click the button below.